My name is Jillian Stewart, and I am the founder and executive director at Surf and Turf Therapy. I am a physical therapist and a hippotherapy clinical specialist. Hippotherapy is the use of the horse in treatment for physical, occupational, and speech therapy. Surf and Turf started 2 years ago after a handful of parents came to me asking if I knew of anyone that would take their child with special needs surfing. I had been in the hippotherapy world for about 5 years, and I saw a lot of parallels between sitting astride a surfboard and sitting astride a horse, and how we could use both of those tools to help improve balance, strength, mobility for this patient population.
My name's Neville, and we have a 4-year-old son who's named Tristan, and he's been with Jillian and Surf and Turf for about a year. So we had an interesting experience finding Surf and Turf. We, typically, like any parents going to a carnival or a fair, the kids see the horseback riding and the little pony rides, and they really want to go on it. But with us, we noticed that when Tristan would go onto the horses, he would get a sense of calmness, and that calmness would wind up translating into how his behavior was the entire day, the day after, and even his confidence, which was incredible.
I'm Jessica Dykstra, and I have 3 kiddos. Theo is 6 and he does surf, and then my other son is Jeremiah, he's 4 and he does horseback and surf. So we found out about Surf and Turf and Dr. Jillian through my son's occupational therapist out in St. Clemente. And from my son, the 4-year-old, has had some developmental delays, some speech delays, things like that. And seeing the contrast from the first lesson of Jillian working with him and him crying and not wanting to get on the horse, and he's got some sensory issues, and so he didn't like the fur and just all these different things, to about the 3rd or 4th lesson, he was looking forward to it, he was smiling, his confidence had grown, and seeing the way that Jillian just encouraged but also didn't take any nonsense, and she just pushed through it and encouraged him. It was amazing to see.
Hi, I'm Danielle Lett, and I've been with Surf and Turf Therapy for almost 2 years now as one of the original founding board members. So Jillian saw her patients and saw the therapy that she was teaching to be beneficial with not only hippotherapy, but the surf side as well. So that was a passion and a dream of hers that she actually saw come to light because she put in hard work, countless hours. She had this amazing community behind her, patients that loved her, parents of patients that loved her, that really drove the success of the first year of Surf and Turf.
My name is Ewan Latimer, and I've been helping Jillian with Surf and Turf for about 6 months now. I help the kids by being out there in the water, helping out if they're in need, or sometimes even tandeming with them and showing them how to ride a wave. I started Surf and Turf because my brother has cerebral palsy, and he started to hear about a year ago. I used to come here and I would surf with him, and that just made me really enjoy coming out here and surfing with the kids.
So, surfing with Jillian is super fun, it's just exciting, and yeah.
Horseback riding, and that wasn't...
Mama,